wanna never hold your hand.
Middle finger with the 5-6. Tinted windows when we slide stick. Glock out the Draco. No, I'm riding round nigga with the slime. Shoot a nigga in his spine. Niggas snitch the cut time. We a Fox 5 gang. Niggas getting wet. Snitching on mine. Facts.
Back it up. 223 gon' make a nigga back it up. 21. Tryna strip a nigga, gotta change my outfit. Nigga ain't black enough.
YouTube, man, it's your boy Ish, and I'm back again with yet another YouTube video, man. Not just a YouTube video, but a YouTube angle. Now look, in this video we got Kurt-Lee. I'm not pretty sure how to pronounce his last name, but he's a freak of nature. They say he's brutally aggressive and unbelievably fast. I'm gonna be the judge of that. Not this channel, me. Ish is gonna be the judge of who really the fastest dude in rugby, besides me, who's second and third. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And comment your favorite fruit. And without further ado, let's watch some YouTube. I'm not wasting y'all time. Right into it. Kurt-Lee, let me see something. Ooh, why would you run into a brick wall like that? You got to be mentally insane. But them jerseys is tough. I'm saying, you're mentally unstable. Ooh. Ooh, my goodness. Okay, that's Damien, dude, we just watched. Good pass. Good pass. Oh my goodness, he's fast. What the heck? Oh, I thought it was Cheslin Colby, bro. This must be before him. That's a great way to stay behind and follow the ball, bro. That's a great way to follow the ball. Oh my goodness. Who's the other team in? The other team in England, I think. Oh my goodness. Them jerseys is tough. Oh my god, look at this little ass. Good tackle. Get up. Ooh. Swiss roll the ground in. Stop, drop, and roll. You're not on fire. Why didn't you go for the ball, bro? He was carrying it so loosely. Ooh, give me that. You're not catching him. You're not catching him. You're not catching him. You're not catching him. Oh my god. He only got one gear, and that's 99%. Ooh, get up. Hold on. He got smackaroon. Give me that. You got to catch it clean. You got to catch it clean. Oh my god. Yeah, let him. Yeah, I'm gonna say give it to your fastest play. Let him finish it off. What's the cameraman doing in the background? Why you just fell like that? Ooh, I don't know what just happened, but the ball's in the other team hands now. Oh my god. Ooh. No, I think the Springboks is overstacked. What is that? That's not a pass. Good pass! They just unlocked the 2-man. What? Oh my god, he's out of there. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Speed might be the only thing you need in rugby, bruh. Speed and the crazy mentality to go out there and tackle people 5 times your size. Offload. Oh, not to him. He passes? I didn't know he could pass. Ooh. Good pass. Nothing's better than the great player who knows how to get, like, you know, how to use the, like, how to pass the ball around, use his teammates, bro. And the good thing about these teammates, bro, good pass. Get off me. You ain't fast enough, man. Got me. Get up. You're not a dinner table. You're not praying to Allah. Get up. Oh my gosh. He's jogging right now. Ooh, get this guy a map. Look at this, bro. He's literally striding like, oh, I gotta play ball. The ref got no chance of catching up to him. He might as well just stay there and call the try. Wasting energy for what? I don't know what happened. This is not him. Oh, get off me! Get off me! Ooh. He's out of there, bro. Oh my god. Ooh, get up! Give me that. Okay, so it's called a pitch. You learn something new every video. It's not called a rugby field, it's called a pitch. Gotcha. I'm mad at the time I turned around to you right now. Ooh. Get off me. Oh my god. Wait, who's that other dude? He's fast as heck too.
Kurt-LeeArendse.
Where did he come from? Is that Tyler the Creator? Untouched. Give me that.
Brilliant take by Arendse. Superb stuff. He looks like Chesley Golding. He moves like Chesley Golding.
Oh my gosh. Now you see me, now you don't. John Cena ass nigga. Imagine running your fastest and just seeing this dude run right by you. That gotta be a confidence breaker, bruh. I want to injure him so bad. Ooh. The pass. The pass. Number 11 was lost, bruh. He had no chance to get into where the ball was. Oh my god, that ball movement is crazy. That ball movement is insane. That was Kurt-Lee. They still haven't said the last name, or if they did, I didn't hear it, so I don't know how to pronounce it. But that was Kurt-Lee. I'm not gonna lie, he is a freaking agent. Him, Tesla, Kobe, Damien. We might as well after the whole Springboks team. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Everybody on their team is tough. I want to watch that number 11 dude, bro. The one ball head dude that was captain when they won the last World Cup. I want to watch them. I'm not gonna lie. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Comment your favorite fruit. And without further ado, goodbye, you.
Put a scope on the gun. On that mitch on the kid is a drum. I dare to run. Bullets flying, can't tell where they from. Ain't feeling my mission. Gun with a scope, don't care about distance. That's bad for business. Can't you live, nigga, while you fishing?